Welcome, CNG 124-500. Today is Wednesday, the midweek check-in. Let's see, I just finished grading all the assignments. Just to let everybody know, I saw some issues with D2L come through on emails yesterday. It looks like there were some outages, D2L outages. Yeah. Once again, if there's an issue with D2L, please reach out to me through the Front Range email, george.lemos@frontrange.edu, and state, hey, look, I try to access this at this time, it's my only time available at work or something like that, or I checked it during lunchtime, it was down. Feel free to communicate that with me if you're having issues. I'm here to help you not only take the course and instruct you, but also help you pass this course. So if you need any help, let me know. I'm the one that made this course many years ago. Well, actually, Sharon made this course many years ago. I kind of been managing the course from about 3 years ago. So if you're looking for some insight, maybe just like someone to bounce some ideas off of, let me know. I am definitely that resource to help you succeed. With that, it looks to me that I have everything graded. D2L keeps showing me 11 assignment submissions, and I cannot find where these are. Usually when you submit something, I see like an orange dot on an assignment, but when I look at the grades, I do not see anything that indicates a submission anywhere. So if you're missing a grade, please let me know, and I will definitely try to search where this is telling me this is at. I think it's a D2L error. Once again, I'm unable to see where those are and grade those. Let's see, grading is done. With the lab, if you're looking to make this class easier on yourself, I would recommend going along with the practice content. And that is your workbook. Every week we have pages out of the workbook to do to help us retain or even master what you guys are learning. And only a few people are participating in that workbook, and really it's going to be easier on them to transition when we start to move the things, because they're practicing on working on this instead of just doing it one time in a lab. They're actually rehearsing it over and over, trying to grind that issue in. On all your lab assignments, I give you feedback. Make sure to read that feedback, and I believe this week when you start the wires, make sure that you drop them off at your local campus, and then just have a note saying to deliver to me on this campus. They should be able to find me fairly easy since it's an internal email. Don't feel the need to actually mail it in. I believe the minimum that the maximum I saw last semester from someone mail it in was like $3. Save your money. Just drop your wires off at the local Front Range, whatever that may be, and they'll simply internal mail that to me, and that gets billed to my department instead of you guys. What else? This week, I don't believe we have a test. The test is next week, so make sure you're prepared for that. Watch my video. Feel free to also look at other videos on YouTube. There are a lot out there. Lab 5 using Packet Tracer. Packet Tracer, I believe I did a older version of Packet Tracer. The new version, I just have to download somewhere and do it. Really, they changed the color. The yellow sections are now blue, but everything else is remotely very similar to the old style. They do not vary a lot. With Kaplan, I will check on that to access today to make sure they have those, but be ready to buy those as soon as they do, because they will start to go out quickly. If you have any questions, make sure you email me, and I will be glad to help you out.